that dope at the crib. I keep them racks like a real. I'ma go pop me a pill. Like a screw, I'ma give her the drill. Yeah, she said she love my drill. If she bad, then I'm paying them bills. I put a cat on my lip. She give me chin like a beard. Booming for a show or a verse, and I'm coming with that line cause I'm thugging for real. Got two dead partners, I ain't even speak on cause I'm trying to put his mama in.
What's good, Sleep Nation? It's your boy Sleepo, you hear me? I'm back with another lit video. As you can see, we got the whips out here, you hear me? We got JVP, Sid, you hear me? We just really, I got a meet tonight that's going on at the mall, you hear me? So it's gonna be lit as fuck. We got people coming from, okay, I see the Mustang over there. But yeah, we got I got a meet tonight at the mall, you hear me? Just a pop-up meet. It's gonna be like a meet and greet where everybody just, you know what I'm saying, just politic a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Talk about each other's whips and shit. Talk about this nigga. Talk about, you know, what's going on, new bills that's coming soon and shit like that. You know what I mean? So that's where we about to go. We got a few more people that's about to meet up here. And then after that, man, that's like Lee. What the fuck? But after they meet and shit, you know what I mean? That's when we gonna all head out there together. Y'all already know Sid, you know, make sure y'all follow him. He got the 06 Dracula, that's what he call it. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all follow him. It's sitting. Then we got Jaden, which if y'all see my video, y'all seen he went with me to Sallisaw, Oklahoma. Then y'all know DP. He got the scat wide body thing. Ain't gonna lie, I don't like blue, but that nigga should be dancing. Look, his ugly ass in the passenger seat. Ugly ass. Make sure y'all follow, man. It's deep. You know what I'm saying? It's deep park. Y'all know Voodoo. Ready to take some souls. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I like that color on that bitch though. But you know, we don't fuck with GM. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we out.
Break on a bitch like I was a gigolo. May send me a bitch to run up his pocket. Lil' buddy be buying hoes. You know what that mean? That nigga a trick. I stay with a brick like we more than Rick. Paid a little money to drip like this. Spent 10 more on my nigga, my wrist.
Yeah, man, as you can see, we out here at the meet. I ain't gonna lie. What time is it? I ain't gonna lie, I was like, probably like, probably 5 minutes late. And it's swamped out here. It's a lot of people, as you can see in the back. You know what I'm saying? There's people like all over there. Like people everywhere, bro. Oh no, we can't have that shit. They gonna blow his motor out that bitch. Motor gonna jump out the hood, yeah. But yeah, so we out here, man. I'm gonna show y'all some cars. Y'all already know the deal, man. We just gonna chill. It's cold as a bitch out here. I ain't gonna lie, but we just gonna relax, thug and shit like that. I'm gonna show y'all some cars. So, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a good night. I can already tell, you hear me? My first meet of the year is gonna be a whole lot of meetings. So yeah, continue to stay, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the kids, stay supportive, shit like that. Y'all already know what's going on. He gone. So what y'all want to say for the channel?
Subscribe, bro. Subscribe, bro.
Nah. Y'all can shout out like y'all Instagrams or something.
Oh, shout us out?
Yeah, what y'all?
Follow me at Ashlyn_21_. Follow me at __Maddie.A.
Follow me at _ Livy Reed.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, where y'all from?
Alma.
We see
Alma?
him all the time.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I met him at his mom's house. I saw him at a car wash. He revved his engine, and then like 2 days later, I saw his car and I pulled up while he was taking the trash out. I was like, "Yo,
Hey.
this your car?" He's like, "Yeah." He goes, "I saw you at the car wash," and then I revved it, and then I saw your hip hook up. I said, "Yeah, for sure."
Hey, he lit.
Hey, you like that?
Make sure y'all follow the kid. Go and let him know where to follow you, man.
ITZ, SYDNEY. He gonna link it right down here at the bottom. It's
Yes,
Sydney.
sir.
Big drag, you know what I'm talking about. We going up 2020.
Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on, man. 06, whole lot of 06 shit going on. I ain't gonna lie. This Smoke Show 392 is hard. No bullshit. I don't see why he put all them badges on there, though. He should have definitely put all them badges. That's nice. That's dope. You know, y'all know Jay and shit. What's crazy? My dad used to have one of these right here. Oh shit.
Oh, that's the fucking drag.
My dad used to have one of these. It's a diesel. I for sure know. My dad had one when I was back in Louisiana. 5.0. You know what I'm saying? 392. Can't go wrong with 392. I think it got a okay, got the Chevy SS. Okay. I always like them 350Zs though, bro. I always like the 350Zs. Wait, is that Raul's daughter? Can't go wrong with the G-Wag, man, but G-Wag ain't for me. You know what I'm saying? But bro, we got Camaro, you know what I'm saying? We got Scat, that's another Scat. Camaro, Mustang 5.0s, you know what I'm saying? All type of 5.0s, all type of shit. Got a CTS-V. I like these though. I used to want one of these, you know what I'm saying? That bitch was black though. That bitch hard too. And got this Camaro.
I like this Camaro.
Yeah, this Camaro nice. Definitely nice. I'm not big on the color, but it's definitely nice. But man, I like that Z over there too. You know what I'm saying? Got a Cali, Mustang. You know what I'm saying? One of the older GTs. Got a 5.0. You know, they always got the Ricers and stuff. A lot of the Ricers. Got another SS. This Catfish Camaro, this bitch hard. Got a Stingray. Got a big wang on there. Like Sid say. That boy Steve on them bags, man. His shit hard. I ain't gonna lie. This Scat hard as fuck. I hear you, my boy. I hear you, my boy. Dang. Johnny!
What's up, brother, man?
Chillin', man. This bitch hard too, though. You know, that's what I like about, you know, it's all type of like imports and muscle. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like a mixture of both out here. You know, see, there go another Camaro. Then we got another import right there. You know, Camaro. I think this shit. Don't let me lie. SS. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like that motherfucker sound like it's boosted. Yeah, like a motherfucker. It's a lot of rice though, but like, it's a lot of lit ass shit going on. No bullshit. I see my boy. Yeah, it shot some. Yeah. Yeah, it had shot some. That bitch nice though. Got another 5.0. All type of shit, you hear me? So we over here, you know, that's that 5.0 I showed earlier. Y'all see this one on the channel a lot. My boy got another 350Z. That boy Mitch in the 5-0. Y'all seen Mitch on the channel a few times. I think this is Cody. He used to have a yellow Camaro. I think he got that one now. Another Mero. That boy Kyler. He about to build this hoe. That bitch gonna be fast as fuck. Oh, there go the fast guy right there. That's the fast guy. Yeah, you know, we got the 392. And then, you know what I'm saying, the SS. Like, it got people all over here though. Hold on, let me show y'all. I ain't gonna lie, it's cold as polar bear balls in this motherfucker. But, you know, that's some more imports. Lexus, I used to have a black one just like that, Jeremy. When I had wrapped it white. Like, this, I think this is Integra. But this right here is exactly what I want if I was to get an import. That or RSX. I think this is a 5.0. Yep. That's another 5.0. I'll take one of them, but I want a GT 500. You know what I'm saying? Catfish. Got a Channeling. Got a old Charger. Can't go wrong. This look like an old 5.0, but I don't know. He got meats on the back, so look like a 5.0, red inside. That bitch got a fat tire on the front, so this bitch probably run. I don't know much about Vortex, but you know what I'm saying? It look like it's fast. But yeah, man, you can see people everywhere in this motherfucker. You know? But every time I throw a meat though, it's gonna be like this. Ooh, we got an old school in this hoe. I ain't gonna lie, if I ain't get one of them, I would, you hear me? But I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be sick as fuck. I can already tell. Cause my nose is sniffing in this shit. But let's go up here real quick. Willie done popped out. You hear me? M2, Two-Face. That bitch hard. I ain't gonna lie. Got a bike out here, tall ass Yukon. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, I think I seen Marco pull it up. That Camaro over there is nice though. That bitch hard. Got another Camaro back there. Hold up, as y'all can see. Let's go with this real quick. YJ, what's wrong with you? Camaro, man. What the hell that nigga was doing? Yeah. 2 Camaros with 3 Camaros. Well, damn, a lot of Camaros over here. Damn. Mr. Larry, I think he built this red one and this blue one. And then this black one right here. This, okay, that's by JP. And got that vet drop over there. I seen Mike pull up in the hellcat. I mean, track house. Yeah, Mike right here. Hell yeah, man. And yeah, here go Marco shit. That bitch retarded.
Put us in the bed.
That bitch look like it. That bitch hard. And then of course you got DP shit. Yeah, they both of they shit's dumb.
Yeah!
Well, they gonna die like a motherfucker.
Your bitches ain't real, you capping. Don't make your titties, they plastic. Little bitch be going off for Addy, I just to go home and fucked off with a mattress. Had to go bust up. When I'm all in that pussy, a nigga be mashing. Till the next morning, I don't recognize you, and then I go hop out the traffic. You bitches ain't real, you capping. Don't make your titties, they plastic. Little bitch be going off for Addy, I just to go home and fucked off with a mattress. Had to go bust up. When I'm all in that pussy, a nigga be mashing.
These motherfuckers really, they chancing life right now. Bad chance in life.
They hop on the rim like you wasn't just a little bitch. Stop stunning with your fake ass. You ain't got some injections all up in your face. Around your eyebrows and your lips too. Your face looks stuck when I look at you. But you came out of box like a barbecue. I'm back on my bullshit, nigga so goofy. I keep me a cutter like a book shop. This bird
outside. His leg done touching the ground. He tripping.
The female go crazy.
Hold on, let me hear that bit. Let me hear that bit. On the game. That bitch do sound good though. Alright, so you hear me? Just left the meet. It was definitely a dope meet. I ain't really think it was gonna be that many people though. You know, simple fact that it was like a in a spur of the moment type of meet. I think I planned it like maybe 3 days ago, like, you know what I'm saying? So I had to kind of get everything fast. Like I had to get the insurance and you know, the contract signed and all that. But it was a dope meet. It was a lot of people came out and it was a lot of people out there. I'm talking about, man, if I had to count the calls, I don't even know. It was a lot of calls, that's all I could say. And this was just a meet and greet meet, you know what I'm saying? This meet was only to basically set the tone and show me like what the further meets was gonna look like, you know what I'm saying? My meets only get bigger and bigger as the time go by, so be looking out for my next meet. If you got Facebook, go to Fort Smith PPC, you know what I'm saying? That's FORT SMITH. That's MIT. Yeah. PPC, you heard me? And that's why I post all my flyers, all the information for the next meets. If you got videos and pictures you want to post, you can put it on there. All you gotta do is request a page and I'll add you to the page. And that's how you can kind of keep up with all the car meets and stuff that's going on. Fort Smith PPC. For the people that don't know, PPC stands for Pull Up, Park and Chill. Yeah, man, it was a dope meet. Shout out everybody that came out. Appreciate y'all for coming out. I want to talk to the people that like to do burnouts and fly through the parking lot, shit like that. People wonder why people mistake car meets from takeovers. That shit goes at a takeover. I'm not against takeovers. I like to participate in takeovers. However, when I throw meets, that is a car meet. It's just pull up, park your car, get the fuck out, and go meet other people. It's not going through the parking lot, you know what I'm saying, fast as fuck. It's not doing a burnout. It's not doing a pull, none of that shit. You know what I'm saying? So this kind of let me know like I gotta tighten up on my security. So at my further meets, I will have security on site, cause that shit would not go. Not at my meets. I don't give a damn if somebody else throw a meet, you don't want security, cool. You want to do burnouts at another meet, cool. You whatever. I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? My meets are friend and family oriented, like they, you know what I'm saying? It's friendly, you know what I'm saying? And shit, I want to keep my shit going. That's why the police department be trying to shut our shit down, cause people doing stupid shit like that, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's a time and a place for everything. And my meets ain't the time or place for that shit. So, you know, it's gonna be lit. That's all I can say. Next meets, gonna be super, super dope. Make sure you follow my Instagram, KIINGSLEEPO. Make sure you follow my other Instagram, OfficialSleepo. And shit, we got a lot of shit on the way, man. New car meets on the way. Doing a lot of traveling this year. Got a bill coming soon. Got a project call coming soon. So, you know, somebody bring a lot of shit to the channel, man. Make sure y'all, you know, tell your friends, tell your family, you know what I'm saying? Spread the word. Y'all already know it's them. Sleep Nation forever. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Y'all already know 2023 is up, you hear me? Sleep Nation forever. Do not sleep on us. On game.